We all know that committing mistakes at the time of filing the trademark application can be costly for the business. And the only way to deal with such a problem is to apply for the trademark rectification. However, it is essential to take the help of an expert professional for trademark rectification, and we all know that. Before going ahead and understanding what exactly it is, let's understand what is trademark rectification. Trademark rectification is a very valid procedure through which any form of changes, alterations, modifications as well as cancellation can be performed in the trademark register or in the registered trademark. In other words, it's a very legitimate technique through which an individual applies for registered trademark removal from the Trademarks Register. Now in India, Chapter 7 of the Trademark Act of 1999 regulates the right related to the rectification. Trademark Act 1999, that is Section 57, declares that any person bothered of such entry in the Register of Trademark can file an application for the rectification. But rectification doesn't work in every situation. In some cases, an error can lead to the cancellation of the trademark registration. If you are someone who feels that trademark registration can be something of your type, let's see that who can file for the trademark registration. 1. An owner. An owner can file the application of rectification itself for removing certain errors. Or a third party. It may also be filed by another individual or company being aggrieved by such a company. Something very important that we need to note here, that a convincing evidence is to be placed together by the applicant, mainly on the account of eliminating any registered trademark of some other individual from the trademark register. If you are someone who has to file for the trademark rectification, let's understand what is the process. The very first step is drafting of the application. First, the applicant must file in the appropriate form along with all the details. Once you are done with that, filing of the application form will be done. The applicant needs to file the form with the trademark registrar along with the fees. And then the document submission will take place. After you have filed the application form for rectification or cancellation, the trademark owner would have to submit the application and the necessary documents and modifications required depending on the expected changes that are required for supporting the modification address or identity proofs. And after that is done, we will wait for the approval of comment. The ultimate step is the approval by the registrar or alteration in the register as required. Now, when an individual begins the cancellation or rectification, then the process is the individual should apply in the related form as mentioned above, along with the reason for the rectification, and submits the same to the trademark registrar along with the fees. And then the trademark registrar will send a notice to the trademark owner to file a counter statement. Now both parties will have to file an affidavit producing their proofs. The outcome of rectification can be that after hearing the case offered by both the parties, the trademark registrar or the board can either add, vary or cancel or even remove the entry. The Act and rules of trademark deliver relief to the applicant and aggrieved individual to search for the cancellation or rectification. Now, if you are someone who is sitting down and working on the process of rectification, also understand that what are the consequences of trademark rectification on your trademark. The registered trademark can be directed to be removed from the register in case it is demonstrated that the trademark was registered without any bona fide intention on the part of the applicant for registration, and where there has been no bona fide application of the trademark up to date 3 months before the application date and 5 years have elapsed after registration and still not put to use. And something we need to take a note of here is that the duration of 5 years is to be measured from the date on which the mark was actually put on the register, that is the date on which the registration was ordered to be made, not from the application date. And are you also someone who made a mistake at the time of filing the trademark application? You can leave your worry right here at us, as we have 100% in-house, highly skilled trademark registration expert team who maintains a close track of the trademark application. And if in case any trademark rectification appears, we promptly file the trademark rectification deed and reply without any delay. So if you need any help, do let us know. You can contact us on the given contact details. Until then, keep having fun and keep watching the videos. If you feel that you need to ask anything or have any doubts on related topics, do share with us in the comment box. And do like, share and subscribe the channel. Take care. Bye-bye.